Good morning students. In this video we will revise how to convert decimal numbers to binary. Okay, so conversion from decimal to binary equivalent. Repeated division method you must have done earlier. In this method we divide the decimal number repeatedly by 2. Okay, so there is an example. We are going to divide 43 repeatedly by 2. As we have to calculate the binary equivalent of decimal number 43. Base 10 to base 2 we have to convert. Okay, decimal is base 10 and binary is base 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 remainder. You will be writing the remainders over here. Then 2, 10, 20, 1 is left. So remainder over here. 2 5s are 10, 0 is the remainder, write it here. 2 2s are 4, 1 is left, write down 1 here. 2 1s are 2, 0, remainder is 0. Okay. Now you will write the answer from bottom to top. This is the most significant bit. This one is the least significant bit. You will write down your answer from MSB to LSB in this direction. Okay, from bottom to top. So the answer will be 101011. Okay, base 2. Okay, in repeated division method, we will divide the decimal number by 2 repeatedly. Okay, then we'll write down the answer from bottom to top. Now if you have to convert decimal fraction to binary, then what will be the procedure? In this, if you have to convert decimal fraction to binary, then you need to multiply the fractional part repeatedly by 2. And you will be writing the fractional part here and the integer part separately. Okay, and the answer will be the integer part only from top to the bottom. In fractional conversion, you will be writing down the answer from top to bottom. Okay, suppose you have to convert decimal fraction 0.25 base 10 to base 2. Then you need to multiply the fractional part repeatedly by 2. Here you will be writing the answer. Fractional part you can write down separately and integer part you will write down separately over here. Okay, so 0.25 into 2 you will be getting 0.50. The integer part is 0. Write down 0 here. Now fractional part again you will multiply by 2. 0.50 into 2 you will be getting 1.00. Okay, so write down the integer part, that is 1 over here. Okay, now you are not getting any fractional part. Okay, if we get any fractional part again, then we will be multiplying that with the 2 again. Okay, so now 0 and 1 you have to write down the answer from top to bottom. So the answer will be 0.01 base 2. Now suppose you have to convert 38.21 base 10 to binary. Okay, this is a mixture of integer and the fractional part. In this case, you will separate both the parts, integer and fractional part. You will convert integer part into binary first, then fractional part into binary. Then you will combine both the results. Okay, this question you have to do by yourself. You will convert 38 to binary first, then 0.21 to binary. Then you will combine the answer of both. Okay.